It is now time on day 2 to sand these cabinet doors. Going to connect my Bluetooth. Going to turn on my Sys-Air. I really want to make sure I round the edges so that there's really good adhesion. I want to make sure I sand the edges on the back as well. I want to sand those sharp corners inside the back door. I'm going to sand the profiles with another Festool pad that you see right here. Just like that. So now this cabinet door is ready to be wiped down, cleaned again, and sprayed with 2 coats of primer.